Noise pollution is affecting our marine life. Some of the things that are affecting it are low-frequency sonar platforms, survey vessels, commercial vessels, and submarines. Our marine life is affected on a daily basis. It disrupts their sleep, how they eat, their heart rate. Another thing is it can even cause death and them washing up to shore. The reason they may die is because there is a change in the delicate way of predator and prey. So there's a lot we can do to inform everyone. It only takes 5 minutes a day to tell somebody a little about what noise pollution is and how it really is affecting the marine life. Also, we need to figure out how we can get lower frequency vehicles and vessels out on the ocean that won't harm or disrupt the marine life's everyday life. So, thank you for watching this video, and I hope you have learned a little more about what noise pollution is and will join in stopping this big epidemic. So I hope you guys enjoyed learning a little bit about noise pollution, and now it's your turn to educate the others. Thank you.